One of the most hyped smartphone last 2022 was this, the Nothing Phone 1. It captured people's attention because of its transparent looking back panel design, although it wasn't really transparent, but yeah, you get the idea. Now, jumping into 2023, we have a refreshed version of that popular smartphone, and you guessed it. It's the Nothing Phone 2. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and check what has changed in this device. To the overall design, Nothing kept the same design cues from the Nothing Phone 1, and with just a few improvements. Starting off with the overall feel of the Nothing Phone 2. The back panel curves towards the edges as compared to the flat one that we got on the previous model. Also, the dark gray colorway is much more lighter as compared to the older version, and even if the second iteration is a bit taller, we still managed to fit the old jelly case on the Nothing Phone 2. See? But yeah, you will be having a hard time really squish it in because of the height differences, but the volume and the sleep weight button are placed on the same spot as before. Overall, we are in a very familiar territory here when it comes to the overall design and styling of the Nothing Phone 2. All IOs are on the same spot and buttons are still tactile and very clicky. In addition, the Nothing Phone 2 is IP53 dust and splash resistant. It's the same story here at the back. We have the camera module sitting on the left side along with a new dual LED flash as compared to a single LED flash on the old one. The Glyph LEDs on the Nothing Phone 2 are now composed of 33. Yes, 33 LEDs as compared to the previous Nothing Phone 1 which only has 12 LEDs. However, the back design is almost identical to the previous generation. So the reason behind getting more LEDs here at the back is that the top portion of the Glyph is packed with utilitarian features. One of the use of the Glyph LED is you can use it as a timer visual countdown indicator and can also be used as a volume indicator. But yeah, it is turned off by default, so you have to go into settings for you to enable this feature. You can now also customize Glyph ringtones according to your liking. Now when it comes to the display, we have a slightly bigger 6.7-inch OLED panel with a resolution of 2400 by 1080, capable of producing 393 ppi. It also does support 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+. Up top, we do have selfie cameras placed at the center as compared to the Nothing Phone 1, where it is placed on the leftmost side of the device, making it much more symmetrical now. Both the front and the back panel is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. We are not sure which type of Gorilla Glass we have, but yeah, at least we know we have some kind of glass protection in this device. Overall, the display looks good and vibrant, and you won't be having a hard time on viewing the display under direct sunlight. Now, when it comes to performance, under the hood, we have a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip that features an Adreno 730 chipset, up to 12 gigs of RAM, and 256 gigs of internal storage. Now, if you want to know more about this device's performance, well, you have to stay tuned for our full review coming up real soon. Now, when it comes to the cameras, we have a dual camera setup here consisting of a 50 megapixel wide with an aperture of 1.9 and another 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera with an aperture of 0.2. As of the moment, we are limited to only specs of this device, so sample shots will be shown in our full review. For battery, the Nothing Phone 2 rocks a 4700 mAh battery with support for 33W fast charging, 15W wireless charging, and 5W reverse wireless charging. So far, battery performance is as good as it can get for its capacity. Overall, the Nothing Phone 2 is a good device. It is aesthetically pleasing, and functionality-wise, slowly they are making its quirky features into a useful one, which is always a plus. Now for pricing, we don't have the complete details just yet, but this particular model, which has 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage, is priced at 38,990 pesos. So there you have it, guys. This is our quick unboxing and hands-on of the Nothing Phone 2. Let us know what do you guys think about this device in the comment section below, and what do you want us to feature in our full review. Now, if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you won't miss any future uploads, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, and visit uconnect.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Arel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.